Talk to people, do not talk at people. Hello, welcome to the Life Skills Green. I'm back here with everyday English communication lecture. Let me remind you, this lecture is not for business presentation or public speaking. This is only for everyday conversations when you happen to interact with other people in your daily life. Let's begin. Practice more on beginning and conclusion for effective communication. Express your ideas in a clear, concise, and organized manner. Identify multiple personality types. Classify individuals based on their conduct and communication style. Adjust your interaction fashion to suit the preferences of different personality types. Evolve empathy by putting yourself in others' shoes and understanding their perspectives, emotions, and motivations. Empathy fosters deeper connections and mutual respect. Connect through emotions and talk to your target people according to their understanding level. However, if you happen to interact with professionals or scholars, here you could use with them topic related advanced jargon because they have relevant information or they are familiar with the topic what you are talking about. Therefore, you do not need to explain everything in detail, or you are not worried about simplifying your words. Be flexible in your approach to communication and problem solving. Pause and take some time before you reply to the question. Body language and tone. Body language and tone are two important elements in communication skills. Words are naked without a proper tone and physical gestures. In communication, the tone and body language are like jewelry and elegant dressing on your words. It is because unspoken forms of communications are universal. Engagement time in communication. Speak to the extent that you are knowledgeable about a particular subject. If you do not have enough information about certain news or topic, so stop beating the dead horse. Speak to a limit in which the listener is interested in hearing you. Otherwise, your target listener may lose his or her concentration and interest. However, on the flip side, you could observe from their body language if they are ready to spend a little more time in the conversation. Self-awareness. Develop self-awareness. Reflect on your own personality traits, strengths, and weaknesses. Self-assessment is key to the personal growth and apparently improving your communication skills in everyday life. Feedback. Be open to feedback. You ought not to think that your way is only way. Listen to other people with your heart to hear what other person is feeling. Listen to understand, not just for answering it. Listen to other people patiently and pause before you respond. Managing conflicts. Effective conflict resolution involves active listening, compromise, and finding common ground. When a difficult person is shouting at you, at this moment, you can keep your voice cool or try to maintain a polite conversation. When the person becomes aggressive, you do not need to go guns and daggers. If you disagree with them, do not show yourself aggressive or defensive, as this will not lead to positive solutions. Sometimes the person you are dealing with are not aware about their aggressive or annoying conduct. Set some boundaries to not let them cross that red line. For instance, if someone makes hurtful remarks towards you, you can call him or her aside and ask why they are doing it. Assertively handle bullying situations. If you have overly rude colleague, friend, or a relative who verbally or physically abuse you, it is acceptable to walk away from that situation. It does not matter whether he or she is your boss or supporting friend. No one has the right to endanger your safety and well-being through psychological or physical fear. Finally, the essence of this lecture is be creative, be natural while communicating with your audience. This has been Nusrat Hussain from Life Skills Green. Stay safe. Talk soon.